I was flat broke and had exactly $100 and zero excuses. I turned that $100 into $10,000 in weeks, not by luck, not by a get-rich trick, but by using the same hidden strategy the 1% use when they want outsized returns on tiny bets. If you want the real playbook, listen close. This is how they think. My story. A few years ago, I had one small window, $100, a problem people complained about online, and nothing to lose. I could have waited for a miracle. Instead, I treated that $100 like a science experiment. The difference between the wealthy and everyone else is simple. They place many small, intelligent experiments, then double down on the winners. Step 1. Find an asymmetric opportunity. The 1% look for asymmetry. Small downside, big upside. That's how you protect capital. I found a simple gap. People wanted a quick solution to X. The cost to test that promise was under $100. That's the seed. An idea that couldn't lose more than your stake but could scale massively. Step 2. Use leverage, not blind risk. Leverage isn't always loans. It's attention, platforms, and skills. I used other people's attention, targeted ads, and niche communities, and my time, building a one-page offer, not a perfect product. The wealthy buy leverage. You must learn to buy attention cheaply and convert it. If this is making sense, subscribe to Money Matrix YIT. Comment leverage, and I'll pin the best experiment ideas people used. Step 3. Micro-test fast, then scale ruthlessly. With $50, I tested 2 ads. With $30, I paid for a simple landing page. I treated each result like data, not validation. One ad worked. A tiny tweak doubled the click rate. I reallocated the next $200 and scaled that winning ad. Scale looks messy early. It's math later. Step 4. Reinvest and build a repeatable system. Profits went right back into testing and scaling. The 1% don't cash out early. They recycle winners into processes, funnels, onboarding, retention. That's how small wins compound into thousands. This isn't magic. It's asymmetric bets, cheap leverage, fast testing, and relentless reinvestment. If you want real examples, subscribe to Money Matrix YTE, like this video, and comment experiment. I'll share the exact ad copy and landing layout I used. Start one small experiment today and treat your $100 like a lab, not a lottery.